However, kasi yung SVP, it's only one sport also, basketball. Sige, it's full-time sport. And I think SVP, before pa to they also understand that they have to support also the schedules of our local leagues. Kasi pag pinatay mo naman din yan, mawawalan sila ng full where to draw from. So no commitments yet, pinag-aaralan mo kung ano yung kapuputi.
So magiging discretion ng mga kada team mamaya.
If ever, yes. For now. But again, ang maganda dito, Eric and D is a very good friend, no? The ED. So we're in constant communication. But they understand our position. Eric and D also came from the ED and understands the grassroots program also needs to be supported.
Qualification, yung principles for eligibility for on regarding draft, any professional. Pag may eligibility regarding kapag meron ka pang
Yeah, again, if you join the draft, no, you forgo your eligibility to participate in the UAE. That's the present rule.
as a person. Ang proposed changes,
Pag-aaralan mabuti. And if any, not that there is, if any, season 89 onwards. Not this season. So that addresses the letter dated August 6, 2025 of
Opening game na ba?
Opening game is sa September 20. Wala pang, ayoko yung may press na tayo isa. Tsaka UST announcement yan.
Over the past months, two unfortunate deaths nangyayari sa mga student athletes. Ano yung bagong pre-tournament screening process na gagawin ng UAP?
Okay, kami naman may... Cut na raw, sorry. But anyway, sa competition side may EMS naman kami. But we are trying to ensure that sa screening, meron silang free participation medical screening. So yun lang, papaiktingin lang. I'm sure meron yan, but mas conscious na kami ngayon. To remind the schools in their training venues. Okay? So, sorry.